Hey, Edgar's Funneltopia here. Quick update related to communities. You can create private channels now in your communities, in your groups. So, in case you didn't know, yeah, there's a full functionality of a community. Kind of think similar to a Facebook group, but you control, like you have the full rights. This is your group, which is it gives you full autonomy, and yeah, the channels you can see on the side. You can add a new channel, and the new update, yeah, is related to making a channel private. So let's do super secret group, right? And you can enter the description, the channel icon. You can do one of these, right? You can also do emojis. So I don't know, you just select one, whatever it is, right? Let's create it. And that's going to be, it's going to be locked, right? For kind of people need to be basically invited. You can just invite them here, invite the members. And yeah, this one, who would need to do it? What would be a good use case for this? So I would think like a private group would probably be for like a, I don't know, just like a group of your coaching clients, or like a mastermind, or that sort of a thing, or something that people paid for and they get separate access. Along with your public groups, they get like their own secret, club, so to say, or like a more direct communication with you, a tighter group with just the people in this mastermind or coaching group. So that's kind of the one of the things I can think of. But yeah, actually the invitation is not here, it would be here, I think. Members, yes. And you put in members and you can invite them here. This invitation is to the whole thing, right? And here you can see it's locked if you're not in it, but you can kind of look at the other channels. So yeah, under here, under this gear icon, you can invite people to this specific group. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Go check it out. If you haven't used the communities/groups feature, highly recommended. It keeps getting better and better week by week. So definitely go check it out. If you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And also schedule a VIP call if you're a VIP. You have more than a question or two, that's probably going to be a better thing to do. Just like get on a call. We'll solve it quicker than via chat. Chat is better for like one question or whatever. But yeah, if you don't have any questions at all, then yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye.